Importing vectors into Inkscape. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and start by launching the application on your computer to access the workspace. Create a new document so you have a blank canvas ready for your design process. Go to the File menu at the top of the interface to begin importing your vector file. Click Import from the drop-down options to open the File selection window. Browse your vector file by navigating through your folders until you locate the desired asset. Select SVG file as your format, since it is commonly used for vector graphics. Click Open to confirm your selection and proceed with the import process. Import dialog will appear on the screen, giving you several options to control how the file is brought in. Choose default settings to keep the process simple and consistent. Click OK to finalize the import and place the file into your document. File appears on canvas, allowing you to see and interact with the imported design. Resize if needed by dragging the corner handles while maintaining proportions. Move to desired position by clicking and dragging the object across the canvas. Select the object to begin editing its components and structure. Ungroup if necessary, so you can work on individual parts instead of a single combined object. Edit individual elements to refine details or make adjustments. Change colors if needed to match your design preferences or branding. Use Fill and Stroke panel to control color, gradients, and outlines. Adjust stroke settings to modify thickness, style, and appearance. Convert to Path if needed when you want more precise editing control. Go to Path menu to access advanced editing options. Click Object to Path to transform shapes into editable nodes. Use Node tool to edit points and curves accurately. Clean unnecessary parts by deleting unwanted nodes or shapes. Combine shapes if needed to simplify your design. Group final design to keep everything organized. Save as SVG to preserve editability. Export as PNG for sharing or use.